Being a food producer, we have to provide traceability from where that ingredient came in from the field to when it came into our plant to what jar we put it in. Ledestri is a manufacturer of food, beverage, and spirits. We bring in all their ingredients, we cook the pasta sauce, we fill it into containers, really soup to nuts. At Ledestri, our supply chain is actually very complex. It really is the lifeblood of being a profitable company. We start out with a lot of fresh ingredients. A lot of them have a short shelf life, a matter of days sometimes. So it's got to be an exact, just-in-time process to produce the materials we need with as little waste as possible. Using Oracle, we're able to trace all our ingredients right to end product. With Oracle Demand Management Cloud, we've been able to reduce our inventory through increased visibility and better forecast accuracy. But even a bigger deal is really sustainability. We hate to throw good products away, and by having accurate forecasts, we've been able to reduce disposals by more than 50%, saving millions of dollars a year. One of the things I'm most proud of is really our track record with never having a recall. The majority of our production is for other people's brands, so there's a trust that we have to build with that customer. They are giving us their livelihood, and they trust us to produce products that are worthy of their brands. We've built a trust with our end consumers and with our customer base. It's a family business. It's been run like a family for more than 40 years. Oracle is one of the larger Ledestri family.